Hello everyone. So in this video we will see about the keyboard shortcut. So basically with the help of keyboard shortcut you can find any shortcut which are in Revit very easily. So for keyboard shortcut first I will click on the file, and from here I will click on this option. See here at the bottom, see this option. I will click on this option, and then this kind of window will pop up. From here I will just go in the user interface. See here is second option, user interface. I will click here on the user interface, and then from here I will come in the configuration. Here is a, you can see here is a keyboard shortcut. So I can just click here to customize option. I will just click here, customize, and from here a new window will pop up. So from here you can see here is currently filtered is all. So let's see. You can see all the command here, right? So anything you just wanted, you can just see the shortcut for it. So as you can see for the property, more than one shortcut each present here. So basically for anyone, you can just assign more than one shortcut, right? So see currently for the modify, here is MD. If you just wanted to add any more shortcut for the modify, you can just add from just you just need to type here. Suppose I just wanted to add the shortcut AS, then I will just type here the shortcut AS, and I will just click on the assign. So as I click on the plus assign, then one more shortcut for this modified will assign here. If I just wanted to remove anyone, I can just remove just by clicking here. If I just wanted to remove this one, I will just click on here, and then you can see here is the remove option. I will just click on this remove, then see there's no shortcut here. So in this way you can just search here in this search box. Let's suppose I just wanted to be door, so you can see here is a shortcut key for door, right? If I just wanted to be wall, so in this way, see here is a shortcut for the wall. So in this way, if you just wanted to check for any shortcut in the Revit, you can just come here and check the shortcut, right? So if see for many of the command, you can see here is no shortcut. If you just wanted to add the shortcut, you just need to type here this shortcut for this one. You can just add shortcut according to you. Then you just need to assign. If you just wanted to remove this shortcut, you can just remove from here, right? So in this way you can just use the keyboard shortcut.